Today's recipe is the oyster omelette. We will be needing 2 tablespoons of potato starch. You will find this from your groceries. And this is a Chinese ingredient. 4 medium-sized fresh eggs. 1/4 cup of cooking oil. 2 teaspoons of fish sauce. 1 teaspoon of garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of white pepper. Cilantro or Wansoy. Chives. And our oyster meat, approximately 1/2 cup. Place on paper towels to remove the excess liquids. This has been freshly shucked from the shells, washed and cleaned, and soaked in vinegar for a while. Now we prepare our eggs. Individually open them in a separate bowl for us to check and avoid spoilage. Do this with the rest of the eggs. To our eggs, we add the rest of the ingredients. Mix to dissolve. Then we add our chives and our cilantro. When everything has been incorporated, we add our oyster. So now we are going to fry. We heat our pan and add our oil. You can fry this in small batches or in one big batch. And because of the potato starch that we added, this is more of a pancake, cakey style rather than an omelette per se. We just lightly fry everything and then we plate. Garnish with chives and cilantro. Thank you for watching. Like and subscribe.